What if I told you that you can start an affiliate marketing business right away, with no experience and no products of your own? Stay tuned. In this video I will review step by step the actions needed to start your marketing journey. It's a start-to-finish blueprint on how to start affiliate marketing. So, get ready to explore the world of affiliate marketing and unlock the potential for passive income that awaits you. Let's dive in and start building your affiliate marketing foundation. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through their referral. At its core, this system operates on the principle of referral fees, where affiliates receive a predetermined percentage of the sale price or a fixed amount for directing customers to a business. This creates a mutually beneficial relationship among affiliates, customers, and companies, often referred to as a win-win-win scenario. For viewers, affiliate marketing provides access to valuable products and services that meet their needs, often accompanied by insightful recommendations and reviews. Customers benefit from discovering products that align with their interests, while companies gain increased exposure and sales through the affiliates' promotional efforts. This symbiotic relationship fosters a thriving ecosystem where all parties involved can achieve their goals. However, it is crucial to emphasize the importance of integrity in product recommendations. Affiliates must prioritize honesty and transparency when promoting products, ensuring that their endorsements are based on genuine experiences and reliable information. This not only builds trust with their audience but also enhances the credibility of the affiliate marketing industry as a whole. When affiliates recommend products they truly believe in, it leads to satisfied customers and repeat business, further solidifying the win-win-win dynamic. As we explore the intricacies of how to start affiliate marketing, it's essential to understand how this model operates. We will explore the broader business ecosystem, driving sales and fostering relationships among various stakeholders. By grasping these concepts, aspiring affiliates can navigate the landscape more effectively and contribute positively to the community. Ultimately, affiliate marketing is not just about making money, it's about creating value for everyone involved. This ensures a sustainable and ethical approach to online business. When it comes to selecting products for affiliate marketing, a great starting point is to reflect on your personal experiences. Begin by making a list of tools and products that you already use and love. These could range from everyday items to specialized tools that have significantly improved your life or work. By focusing on products you genuinely appreciate, you can create authentic content that resonates with your audience. Once you have your list, the next step is to research existing affiliate programs for those products. Many companies offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn commissions for promoting their items. Check their websites or affiliate networks to see if they have a program that aligns with your interests. This not only provides you with potential income opportunities but also ensures that you are promoting products you are familiar with and can confidently endorse. It's essential to highlight the importance of genuine recommendations in this process. Maintaining trust with your audience is paramount. When you promote products you truly believe in, your recommendations will come across as sincere and credible. Viewers are more likely to engage with your content and make purchases based on your insights if they feel you are being honest and transparent. Remember, the goal of affiliate marketing is not just to make a sale but to build lasting relationships with your audience. By sharing your authentic experiences and insights, you can foster a loyal following that values your opinions. As you embark on your affiliate marketing journey, keep these principles in mind to ensure that your product selections reflect your values and resonate with your audience. This approach will not only enhance your credibility but also contribute to your long-term success in the affiliate marketing landscape. Locating and applying for affiliate programs related to your chosen products is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey. One of the most popular and accessible options is the Amazon Associates program. This program allows you to promote millions of products available on Amazon and earn commissions on qualifying purchases made through your referral links. It's user-friendly and ideal for beginners, making it a great starting point for those new to affiliate marketing. To get started, simply sign up for an account, browse through the vast selection of products, and generate unique affiliate links to share with your audience. In addition to Amazon, it's essential to search for affiliate programs directly on the websites of the companies whose products you love. Many brands have their own affiliate programs that may not be listed on major affiliate networks. Look for links labeled Affiliate Program or partnerships in the footer of their websites. This direct approach can lead you to exclusive offers and potentially higher commission rates, as you'll be promoting products directly from the source. Moreover, don't hesitate to reach out to brands for potential affiliate partnerships. If there's a product you're passionate about that doesn't have an obvious affiliate program, consider contacting the company directly. Craft a professional email expressing your interest in their products and inquire about any affiliate opportunities they may offer. Brands often appreciate proactive affiliates who are enthusiastic about their products, and this could lead to a fruitful partnership. This proactive approach will set the foundation for a successful affiliate marketing experience, allowing you to promote products you genuinely believe in while earning commissions. Attracting the right audience to your affiliate links is essential for maximizing your success in affiliate marketing. One effective strategy is to leverage YouTube for creating search-based content. YouTube is the second largest search engine globally, making it an ideal platform to reach potential customers actively seeking information about products. By creating engaging videos that address common questions or problems related to your niche, you can draw in viewers who are interested in the products you promote. Consider producing tutorials, unboxings, or how-to guides that naturally incorporate your affiliate links, providing value while encouraging viewers to make a purchase. Another powerful strategy is to write product reviews and comparisons. These types of content are highly sought after by consumers who are in the decision-making phase of their buying journey. By offering honest and detailed reviews, you can generate interest and establish yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Highlight the pros and cons of each product, and compare similar items to help your audience make informed choices. This not only drives traffic to your affiliate links but also builds credibility and trust with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, building an email list is crucial for direct communication with your audience. An email list allows you to nurture relationships with your subscribers and keep them informed about new products, promotions, or content you create. By offering valuable resources, such as exclusive discounts or informative guides, you can encourage sign-ups and maintain engagement. Regularly sending out newsletters with curated content, including product recommendations and affiliate links, can significantly boost your conversion rates. These strategies will not only enhance your visibility but also foster trust and engagement, ultimately leading to greater success in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Enhancing your affiliate marketing efforts for better returns requires a strategic approach that prioritizes integrity, relationship building, and a long-term perspective. First and foremost, maintaining integrity in your recommendations is crucial. Your audience relies on your honesty and trustworthiness when making purchasing decisions. Always promote products that you genuinely believe in and have personally vetted. By providing authentic reviews and insights, you not only foster trust with your audience but also increase the likelihood of conversions. Remember, a loyal audience is more valuable than quick sales, so prioritize quality over quantity in your recommendations. Building relationships with brands is another effective strategy for enhancing your affiliate marketing efforts. Establishing strong connections with the companies whose products you promote can lead to better deals, exclusive promotions, and higher commission rates. Reach out to brands you admire and express your interest in collaborating. Many companies appreciate proactive affiliates who are passionate about their products and may be willing to negotiate terms that benefit both parties. Additionally, maintaining open lines of communication can lead to opportunities for county marketing initiatives, such as joint webinars or social media campaigns, further expanding your reach. Lastly, it's essential to recognize the long-term benefits of affiliate marketing as a revenue stream. While initial returns may vary, affiliate marketing can provide a sustainable income source over time. By consistently creating valuable content, optimizing your strategies, and nurturing your audience, you can build a steady flow of passive income. As your audience grows and your content library expands, the potential for earnings increases significantly. This long-term perspective allows you to invest time and effort into developing your affiliate marketing business, ultimately leading to greater financial freedom and flexibility. By maintaining integrity in your recommendations, building relationships with brands, and focusing on the long-term benefits of affiliate marketing, you can enhance your efforts and achieve better returns. These strategies will not only improve your immediate results but also set the foundation for lasting success in the affiliate marketing landscape. Effectively managing your affiliate links is crucial for maximizing your affiliate marketing success. One significant aspect of this is maintaining control over your links, which can be achieved by using redirect links. Redirect links allow you to create a clean, branded URL that points to your affiliate link, making it easier to share and track. This not only enhances the user experience but also helps you maintain a professional appearance, which can build trust with your audience. To manage your affiliate links effectively, consider utilizing tools like Thirsty Affiliates and Pretty Links. These link management plugins offer robust features that allow you to create, track, and organize your affiliate links seamlessly. With Thirsty Affiliates, you can easily cloak your links, categorize them, and even monitor clicks to see which products resonate most with your audience. Pretty Links offers similar functionalities, enabling you to create short, memorable links that are easy to share across various platforms. Both tools provide valuable insights into your link performance, helping you make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. Another key benefit of setting up redirects early in your affiliate marketing journey is the time-saving aspect. By establishing a streamlined system for managing your links from the outset, you can avoid the hassle of reworking your links later on. This proactive approach allows you to focus on creating quality content and engaging with your audience rather than getting bogged down in link management. Additionally, having a well-organized system in place can help you quickly update or change links as needed, ensuring that your audience always has access to the most relevant and up-to-date information. In summary, owning and managing your affiliate links effectively is vital for your success in affiliate marketing. By using redirect links, leveraging tools like Thirsty Affiliates and Pretty Links, and setting up redirects early, you can maintain control over your links. This saves you time and ultimately enhances your affiliate marketing efforts. Your audience relies on your honesty when making purchasing decisions, so it's crucial to promote products that you truly believe in and have personally vetted. By maintaining transparency and authenticity, you can build trust with your viewers, which is vital for long-term success in this field. We also discussed practical strategies for selecting the right products, locating affiliate programs, and attracting the right audience to your affiliate links. Utilizing platforms like YouTube for search-based content, writing compelling product reviews, and building an email list are all effective ways to engage your audience. This also helps drive traffic to your affiliate links. Additionally, we highlighted the significance of owning and managing your affiliate links effectively, using tools like Thirsty Affiliates and Pretty Links to streamline your efforts. We encourage you to engage with this content. If you found the information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Your support helps us reach a wider audience and continue providing valuable content on how to start affiliate marketing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.